In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zendesk tickets with Azure DevOps work items, ensuring that your team can work more seamlessly across these two platforms. We'll explore the methods for integration, dive into the workflow setup, and discuss key best practices to make sure everything functions smoothly. Let's start by talking about the methods available for integration. You essentially have a couple of options to consider, which align with the depth of the synchronization you require. For many users, a convenient and straightforward approach is utilizing a marketplace app. Specifically, you might opt to install an app like Azure DevOps Integration, Open, for Zendesk, which is readily available in the Zendesk marketplace. This approach provides Zendesk agents with some essential functionalities. They can create new Azure DevOps work items directly from Zendesk, link them to existing ones, and even sync statuses and comments between Zendesk and Azure DevOps, depending on your selected settings. Next, let's look deeper into the workflow to implement this integration effectively. You'll begin by installing the app in Zendesk. It's quite simple, as the app is designed to be user-friendly right from installation. Once the app is set up, you'll need to configure the credentials. This involves using your Zendesk API token along with an Azure DevOps Personal Access token. These credentials are crucial as they enable the communication between the two platforms, ensuring that information flows seamlessly. After setting up the credentials, you'll need to map the fields between Zendesk and Azure DevOps. This typically includes important fields like status updates, comments, and any custom fields that are essential to your workflow. Field mapping ensures that information is accurately transferred and understood between the two systems, helping to prevent any potential data discrepancies or misunderstandings. Another important decision is choosing the sync direction. You can opt for a one-way sync from Zendesk to Azure DevOps or a two-way sync. A one-way sync might be beneficial if your workflow is highly focused on pushing information into DevOps, while a two-way sync allows for more dynamic communication, enabling feedback and updates to flow easily in either direction. To wrap things up, it's crucial to test the integration with a ticket or work item to verify that the linkage and sync operate as expected. This testing phase lets you ensure everything is functioning properly and identify any issues early on, allowing for smooth operations during regular use. Implementing this integration into your workflow can significantly enhance your team's efficiency and communication across platforms. Ensuring that your tickets and work items are synced properly can save valuable time and reduce errors, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters, resolving issues and advancing your projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your processes.